Hi, are you looking to get your Canopy fully fitted out and wired with lithium dual battery system? I'll give you a quick run through of this one we've just done. Hi guys, Andrew here from Accelerate Auto Electrics and Air Conditioning. I thought I'd give you a quick run through of this fit out we've just done to this Canopy, MRT Canopy on the back of this Ram. What we've done is we've fitted a 120 amp lithium Slimline battery with plans to probably put a second one beside it in the future. And then we've made this slim custom panel here to keep everything tucked away. This gives the customer plenty of room to do all the other things rather than putting everything all over the headboard and using up a lot of space. We've fit it all in here. We've done some what I think is pretty cool stuff. All essential locking on the canopy works off the vehicle's remote now, so that's pretty awesome. All the lights around are running off a dimmable on and off switch, so everything's dimmable for night time, no super bright lights hitting you in the face. We've fitted a 120 watt solar panel up the front, that's part of the canopy, and we're running it all through this EnerDrive DC to DC charger, so it handles the solar and the alternator charge as well. Customer's got two fridges, and he uses Anderson plugs, so we've run two Anderson plugs here for his fridges, and then we've put some cigarette sockets and USBs. And that's pretty much it. So if you're looking at getting a fin out for your canopy, we can do totally tailored to your needs, individual small one, compact ones like this, or quite large ones. So yeah, we'd love to see you. Give us a call.